Student, good morning all of you. Now we are going to learn about our first topic. The name of the topic is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is written in the short form, that is the AP. Arithmetic progression is related to numbers. Always we learn about some numbers in our previous standard as well as in 7th or 6th standard. For example, 1, 2, 3, natural numbers, whole numbers, or it is integers. Now, the first point in the arithmetic progression, which is a sequence. Sequence. Always we know that. What is meant by sequence? A set of numbers are arranged. A set of numbers are arranged in definite order. These two words are most important, which are arranged in a definite order is called sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or etc. Another one example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Now another one example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. How these numbers are arranged? These numbers are natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are arranged in a sequence. Now, how these numbers are arranged? These numbers are of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 or so on. I can't write like this. Natural numbers I cannot write like this 1, 7, 10, 5, 2, 12. These are also natural numbers, but these are not written in the definite order, and this is a definite order. Therefore, it is called sequence. It is not called sequence. Okay. Now see next example. Here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. After that 36 or so on. These numbers are also arranged in a definite order. How? Because of this is the sequence of square numbers. Square numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, that is called sequence. What is a sequence? A set of numbers are arranged in a definite order. It's called sequence. Now the next one is terms in a sequence. Term, always remember that each number in a sequence. Each number in a sequence is called term of the sequence. So, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 terms. Am I right? Yes. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers are available in the sequence? These numbers are number of terms in that sequence. So, next point. Terms are denoted by. Terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, so on. So, what is it called? First number is denoted by T1, second number is denoted by T2, third number is denoted by T3, fourth number is denoted by T4, 5, T5. So, what is the number of 25 in the sequence? Which term is this? Which term? It is a T1, it is a T2, it is a T3, it is a T4 and it is a T5. Okay? T1, T2, T3, means T1 is term first, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, so on. Okay? Now, the next point is that first term is also denoted by A. 1 is a T1, but it is also written as A. First term is also denoted by small a, which is a T1. Now, what is meant by arithmetic progression? We learn about sequence, okay? Then we learn about terms in a sequence. So what is meant by arithmetic progression? there is a slightly difference between sequence and arithmetic progression. What is it? Now we are going to see. Now see the definition. If the numbers are in a sequence, okay, if the numbers are in sequence, but how difference between any two consecutive terms is common or same. Now see, if the numbers are in sequence, yes, these numbers are in sequence, these numbers are also in sequence, and these numbers are also in sequence. Okay, there are three examples of sequence. Now arithmetic progression. If the terms are in sequence, but the difference between any two consecutive terms is common, means same, then it is called arithmetic progression. Numbers are in sequence, but difference between any two terms is the same, then this type of sequence is called arithmetic progression. And common difference is denoted by small d. Common difference is denoted by small d. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, arithmetic progression. Now see these three examples. We will find which are arithmetic progression and which are only sequence. Now see, there are in the first example, what is the T1 which is equal to 1, what is the T2 which is equal to 2, what is the T3 which is equal to 3, what is the T4 which is equal to 4, what is the T5 which is equal to 5, and what is the T6 which is equal to 6. D, what is D? What is D? D is a common difference. How can we find difference? To find the difference, the formula is that to find difference, the formula is that T2 minus T1. We subtract the previous term from the next term. Then we will find difference. Okay. Now another one difference we can find using T3 minus T2. Now see 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. It's like this we can find difference between any two consecutive terms. Okay. These are consecutive terms. These. Now to find difference is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to, what is the value of T2? That is 2 minus, what is the value of T1? 1, which is equal to 1. Means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now another difference we can find. What is the formula? What is the formula? T3 minus T1, which is equal to, what is the value of T3? That is 3 minus, what is the value of, T2. What is the value of T2? That is 2, which is equal to 3 minus 2, we will get 1. Now another difference we can find, which is equal to, what is the formula next? T4 minus T3, which is equal to, what is the value of T4? That is 4 minus, what is the value of T3? That is 3, which is equal to also 1. Now another difference we can find, D is equal to T5 minus T4, which is equal to, what is the value of T5? That is 5 minus, what is the value of T4? That is 4, which is equal to 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1. Now in that example, if we see here the difference is the same, that is a 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the definition of arithmetic progression? In a sequence, difference between any two consecutive terms is same or common, then this is called an arithmetic progression. So we can say this sequence is an AP. This sequence is an AP. Now see another example. Next example. What is it? Now tell me values of T1, T2, T3 in the next example. This is the second example. Okay. What is the value of T1? That is 1. What is the value of T2? That is 4. What is the value of T3? That is 9. What is the value of T4? That is 16. T5, 25. T6, that is 36. We want to find, is this sequence in AP or not? Is this sequence in AP or not? To find the, is this sequence is in AP, what do we want to find? We want to find difference. If the difference is same, then this is in AP. Otherwise, no. Okay. Now let's see. What is the value of T2? That is 4. Minus. What is the value of T1? That is 1, which is equal. 4 minus 1 will be 3. Now what is the value of T3? T3, that is the 9 minus. What is the value of T2? That is the 4, which is equal to 5. Now see, next one. What is the value of T4? T4, that is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7. Now here it will be true. It is proved. What is the difference in? No. So it is only sequence. It is only sequence, not arithmetic progression. Do you understand it? It is only sequence, not arithmetic progression. It is a sequence as well as it is a arithmetic progression. Now see the third example. Difference. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Now what is the next number? Next number will be 10. Okay. Now this is also an arithmetic progression because between them common difference is 2, 2, 2 or so. This is the arithmetic progression. Now the next point is that to find sequence, to find arithmetic progression, if first term and common difference is given, to find arithmetic progression, if first term and common difference is given. First term is denoted by A and common difference is denoted by D. Now the question is asking like this: if A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3, then find next 5 terms. If A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3, then find next 5 terms. How many terms do we have to find? 5. We can find many more terms, but the question is that find only 5 terms. Now, what is the value of A? That is, it is the first term, is T1, which is equal to 5, and D is equal to 3. To find the terms, we have formula D is equal to A plus D. Sorry. T2 is equal to A plus D. Now T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D. Means we should be add in the previous term is a common difference. Now see there. Now T5 is equal to what is here? T4 plus D. To find T6 which is equal to T5 plus B. That is we can find terms. So T1 is equal to A. What we have? T which is equal to 5. Like first term we get. Second term T2. T2 is equal to A plus B. What is the value of A? That is 5 is plus. And what is the value of B? 3. 5 plus D, 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. It is the first term, it is the second term. Now we are going to find third term, T3. T3 is equal to, what is the formula? T2 plus D. T2, what is the value of T2? That is the 8 plus difference 3. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. This is the third term. Now T4. T4 formula क्या है? T3 plus D. What is the value of T3? Will be 11 plus D. D is the difference, which is a 3. 11 plus 3 is 14. So T5 is equal to T5 is equal to formula T4 plus D. Value of T4 14 plus difference 3, which is equal to 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 17. Now last one T6, which is equal to formula T5 plus D. Value of T5, that is the 17 plus difference 3. 17 plus 3, that is the 20. What is the sequence or what is the arithmetic progression? First 5, next 8, then 11, 14, 17 and 20. Now this is the AP. This is the AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Like this we can find another arithmetic progression if the A and B are given. Whenever A and D are given, then we can use to find next terms these formulas T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10. Okay. Now the next question is asking like this: if the numbers are given, if the numbers are given, then we have to find are these in area of the question is which of the following in AP and find their common difference. So first example is that 2, 4, 6, 8. It is already we have 5. How to find? What is the value of T1 which is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 which is equal to 6 and T4 which is equal to 8. How can I identify this is in AP? If the common difference any two consecutive term is same, then it is an AP. Common difference. What is the formula of difference? Difference which is equal to T2 minus T1. Value of T2, that is the 4 minus T1 2, which is equal to 2. What is the difference between first two consecutive terms? That is the 2. Now another difference we can find T3 minus T2. What is the value of T3? That is the 6 minus 4, which is equal to also 2. Now another difference we can find. Difference is equal to T4 minus T3, which is equal to T4, that is the 8 minus T3, that is the 6. 8 minus 6 will be 2. Means the common difference is same. Therefore, yes, it is an AP. It is an AP. If the common difference is not same, then what do we write? No, it is not an egg. Okay. We have to find only three difference if the sequence is given large. Okay. Suppose like this 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, so on. We have to find only three difference between them. If the three difference are same, then it is an 8. Okay. Now see next example. The next example is given. You can take this picture. Okay. The next example is given, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2, or so on. How many terms are there? How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. So T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 by 2, and T3 is equal to 3, and T4 is equal to 7 by 2. We want to identify is it in AP or not. So how to find difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to value of T2, that is a 5 by 2, minus that is a 2, which is equal to, now 2 into 2 means 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2, which is equal to 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. It is the difference between first two terms. Now another difference formula, T2 minus T1, then T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2. What is the value of T3? That is the 3 minus value of T2, that is the 5 by 2, which is equal to divided by 1, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9 by 3. Cross multiplication. It will be simple to us. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Minus 5 1s are 5. And 2 into 1, 2, which is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 2. Difference is also 1 by 2. Now see, another difference we can find, that is T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. Now write the values, proper values. What is the value of T4? That is 7 by 2 minus T3, that is 3, which is equal to. Now divide by 1, divide by 3, sorry, divide by 2, multiply by 2. Now which is equal to 7 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Means in the three consecutive terms, the difference is same, that is a 1 by 2. Then yes, it is an AP. Like this, we can find many more examples. Are these in AP or not? So student, today we will stop here. We have to solve practice set 3.1 complete and same on the group. Okay, bye.